Hi everyone, this is FOAABC Productions here once again, and now I'm going to be doing another unboxing video. I got 3 items I bought off of eBay. So here we go. Let's start with the first one. This is a big one. Wow. Oh, I got a set of 3 DVDs right here. The first one right here is Miss Spire Sunny Patch Kids. I had this for extremely long time since I was a kid. Spine, back, lugs away, special features, blah, 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 blah. Open this up. Oh, sorry. And here's the disc. Perfect. Next, right here is Monsters, Inc. The DVD, spine, back, and it says, smart, inventive, and executed with state-of-the-art finesse. Bonus features on there. Open this up now. Oh. Here's right here the storybook offer. Enter to win the library. Offers from Disney. Here's the DVD guide. Here's disc 1, which has the movie and it has Mike and Sully. And here's disc 2 with Celia, Randall, News, and Roz, and Neilman and Smitty. Last but not least, right here is 9 from Tim Burton. And Timber. A stunning original animated masterpiece sustained by Brian Erdy at CBS TV. Spine, back, perfect picture and restriction sound. I never heard of Pocket Blue and U control before. It's still in its case right here. Oh, I'm probably gonna get this sticker label off. Packaging. I'm gonna open this up. Oh, forgot this. Fucking. Oh. And here's the Blu-ray disc right here. There's no DVD guide. Oh, and speaking of Monsters, Inc., right here. Right here. And, yeah. And this is the PS1 game of Monsters, Inc. Scream Team. There's no DVD guide for this, but I hope I know how to play this game. And last but not least, right here. Last but not least. Could it be? Yeah. Oh, and last but not least, the GameCube game of Monsters, Inc. Scream Arena. Spine, back, make them laugh. Here's the guide for the game. And, instructions for GameCube. And here's the disc. Also on the game guide right here. You play as your favorite characters. Oh. Look at this. Huh. Add for the DVD, which I already have. Add for Monsters Inc. video game, also for GameCube and Game Boy Advance and Game Boy Color. And a promo for the Power Rangers Wild Force video game, also for Game Boy Advance. It's even around the same time as Power Rangers was still under distribution for Disney that year. But it's fine. That's that. So let me put all this stuff back in the DVD. Oh, forgot that. There. Let's line them up. Way, and yep, there you go. That wraps. Oh, hang on. Oh, what? Hang on. There you go. That wraps up another unboxing video. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm not sure what it is, but stick around for that. Thank you very much. Until then, bye bye for now.